It's us again. SmartLegal. Better lawyers, better cover, made simple. I love our slogan. I absolutely love it. Okay. How do you keep your costs down? Things like that. Let's just discuss the reasons why you would need a lawyer. I mean, people get stuck on what's excluded. Yes, we'll have a session where we can discuss what's excluded from your policy. Mm-hmm. But I mean, what's included in that policy? People never talk about that. What's everything that's included? And you maybe think of things that are included.
Yes, your litigation matters.
Litigation, but what does that entail? We quickly say litigation, and maybe for our listeners and for the people that's going to watch this video, litigation is anything in court where people are fighting. Litigation is when you've got a lawyer fighting in court. When you receive the summons, you've been arrested, or you go to the CCMA. That's litigation. When you've got, we get those people that love litigation. They just want to sue everybody and anybody. But anyway, so litigation. When do you do litigation? Bump your car. Insurance doesn't pay out. What do you have to do?
Well, find a lawyer still.
Yes. Somebody issues you with a summons because you bumped them. Mm-hmm. Find a lawyer. Mm-hmm. Okay. Somebody's not building you buy a house, roof is leaking. What do?
Find a lawyer.
Find a lawyer. Okay. Mm-hmm. When you do building alterations, when you pay a funeral parlor to do a funeral for you, and they are not pitching up. Everything is ready, the food is made, everything is ready, but this funeral parlor is not showing up.
You take your matter further.
Yeah. I mean, you've got the wedding plan, and there you see your husband driving off with somebody else.
I'm not putting my lawyer, I'm hunting them.
Where's my gun?
What can you get further?
Divorce, maintenance, family matters, wills, estates. If you've got a family member falling away now, are you going to know where to go, what to do, how to do it?
Definitely.
How are you going to know? What's the first steps? If you've got a family member, your mother passes away.
First step is I go to my, what do you call it, the funeral director.
Yeah.
Then I lodge my claim.
Yeah.
That now my mom has passed on. What is the next step? I need to submit documents to prove that this person has passed on.
Yes.
Then from there, I think I wait for them. The claim is to come in.
Now you've submitted this proof and you've got a funeral policy with a funeral parlor. And they say, no. We're giving you this plastic casket, yeah.
But that's not what I signed for. If I know what I signed for, then they should give me what I've signed for. Then if that's not the case, then I take my matter further.
Okay.
Then my lawyer will have to come in.
Yeah. So everything in life, from building cupboards in your home, having your kids at school, you're paying your legal fees, your school fees, and now you get a letter from school. Hey, you're behind with 10,000 rand. You haven't kept the record, and you've just paid every month. You've paid the 2,000 rand. Now you must go and fight this thing. And if you don't have money, how much is a lawyer costing you?
It's like what, 25?
Exactly. You think you're having a conversation with a friend helping you, and then they bill you. Boom, next day. I'm like, woo, okay. That's what happens. That's what happens. Come and help you. And then
Okay, but then on the other side for me, the tough side is that people see, hey, these lawyers are so expensive, but if you're arrested now, let's say you're driving your vehicle And yeah, this little boy runs in front of you in the street. Now you get arrested for culpable homicide, not because you're a criminal, but because you've hit this child now, and he's gone. You know, so now you are in trouble. Now, if you lose that case, what is that going to do with the rest of your life?
Sure.
Hey?
That will torment you.
Yeah, but I mean, if you lose that case, and now you must apply for a job somewhere.
Well, it's a record that you have.
Yeah.
You can't get
Then
rid
you
of
can't
it.
get, you can't get any trouble.
So what's the cost of not having a lawyer?
It's huge.
Massive.
Costs are huge.
It's not just what you're paying the guy.
Listen, you'll be working for 3 4 months, your salary will just go every month. It's
Yeah.
bad.
It's bad.
Yolanda?
That's all we can say.
So sad.
Bad.
No, just check the whole thing.
You all need lawyers.
Yeah, somebody jumps into your yard. He wants to attack you. He wants to steal or rob you. And now you protect yourself.
Stab him. What are you gonna do?
Who gets in trouble?
You do.
I get in trouble because now for defending myself.
Yes.
You get in trouble for defending yourself. I mean, self-defense in South Africa, you
It's
get
horrible.
arrested, but you're defending yourself.
That's my question always. What is he doing in my yard? That's the first question you ask. So, you're defending yourself.
No, okay. Now the other question is, what if you've got a bad lawyer?
Doesn't make it much easier.
Hey? Now,
What do you do with a bad lawyer?
Yeah.
You don't use him.
Yeah, now I'm the insurance company. I say, you go to that lawyer there.
No, thank you.
I force you. I say, no, yeah. You've got cover, but you can't choose your lawyer.
No, thank you. That's not.
Would you rather pay an extra 500 rand on when you really need that lawyer, or 1,000 rand extra if you know that, listen here, this is the lawyer I'm trusting?
Definitely pay more for something that you know it's guaranteed you're going to win your case.
Yeah.
No one wants to lose a case. No one wants a bad lawyer. We all need help. So there is no way I want to lose my case. There is no way I will go to that lawyer and say, listen, or help me, even though I know you're gonna lose my case. No.
Having to get a lawyer for another lawyer. That's what happens then, because it can help you.
That happens a lot of time. You know, you get in a road accident fund claim. You've got a serious injury. Now you've got a 3 million rand payout. Lawyer's taking off.
Yeah.
Now you must get another lawyer to fight that lawyer.
What do you get out at the end of the day? Nothing.
Right? No. There's two things for me when choosing a lawyer and when getting legal cover is, listen, yeah, you know, those two things is what's a lawyer going to cost you in the first place? You know, do you have the money in your back pocket to pay? Most of us don't.
Not in this
Most of us
time.
don't. And this time, this COVID time, that's so uncertain. You don't have that money in your back pocket to pay for that lawyer. Secondly, if you take out a policy that does not allow you to choose your own lawyer, where's your trust? Where's your faith in, is this guy really going to help me? I met a lawyer once who said, no, all my clients is in jail. So I said, what? You're not a very good lawyer, I won't come to you. Right?
Are we going to end up there too?
Yes.
I
Okay.
think it's awesome having your own dedicated private lawyer, because I just find, well, I have experienced before, when you get to court and you're not covered with your own lawyer, you get someone, let's say, from a place where it's free. So you don't know this lawyer. So every time you actually go to court, and then there's a different lawyer that pitches up. So you have to start from scratch every single time to explain yourself, and then the next time you're like, oh, almost done. You get there against a different lawyer. I'm like,
It's like phone call centers, call centers that you phone. I mean, last night, electricity goes off Sunday night at 8 o'clock. Electricity goes off. Now I'm phoning, I won't mention the company, but I'm phoning the bank. I've got my insurance in. No, they will phone me in 20 minutes back. I'm still waiting for that call.
Yeah.
And you think, if I'm phoning now, so I had to get my own electrician to come out. Now they're going to fight me to pay that guy. Because it's not their it's not their electrician. So I want to caution people. You know, be seriously. Go through your policy. Know what you get. Know that it's a smart product. I mean, know that it's working for you. Don't just take it out on somebody's word in the street. Go and actually go and see what we provide. Go and see what the details are. And phone us. Phone Luandi. Phone Yolanda. Phone Chantal. Great guys. Great stuff. Great talk. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. I think we're done for the day.
Wow.
We're going
that
to
was
have another
quick.
session.
At 2:00.